today we are starting with a new series of scam. As you have heard this word scam, so firstly this name comes under the main victim called Satyam scam. Let us start with the Satyam scam. But before that, उससे पहले you have to know about a series. Web series was called, a new web series was launched, that is Bad Boy Millionaire. In that web series, Satyam scam was to be added, but Satyam Computer's founder, he just filed a case against that web series, and under law in Hyderabad court, and he won that if my name comes in the bad boy billionaire, that's like the name suggests that bad boy billionaire comes, if my name occurs over there, that means my corporate image, that is corporate image of Satyam Computers, will come down. Okay, so after this scam, after this case study, you just have to give your comments that whether this law, I can say whether this case have any kind of sense or not. Okay, let us start with this case study. That is, firstly we have to know about the Satyam scam was started. Satyam scam, the scam, just state that scam. Why I have used this word scam, you will be knowing in the last. So till end you have to view it. Okay, so let us start with the first topic, that is person who was Satyam, that is the founder of Satyam. Now what is Satyam? Satyam is in Satyam Computers. Satyam Computers, name called Satyam Computers, which the person who was the founder of it was Ramalinga Raju and his brother. The two persons were the founders of that company called Satyam Computers. He had, let us start with his past, or you can say his background of his family. His background was, he was in textile industries, and after that he has started the Satyam Computers in the year 89-90. In the year 88, 89, 90. This was the year which he had started this company, and boom was in this company because IT sector was in a boom at that time. Okay, he was making such a best profit because he was in the IT industry which was in a boom. He made n numerous profit. So in year 1990 to 91, he got listed in NSE, that is National Stock Exchange. Okay, as I said, that is 2000. In 2000 they had started in boom, which was in why they have boomed in 2000? Because in 2000 there was an error of an computers, because till that computers were made up till 2000, that is the date was only 00. What after that? In that they had a bigger, you can say, hand. After that, that is, they have invented a new computer, or invented a new software where they started with the 01 till after that. Okay, so for that, you can say invention, they had m numerous profit when that n numerous profit which had made an best milestone for that. They had got listed in 2000 in NYSE, that is New York Stock Exchange. In 2000 they had started with, they have listed in New York Stock Exchange. Okay. So after this they wanted to diversify themselves. So Ramalinga Raju thought that not only in the IT sector, the other sector which was booming in that time, that was real estate. So he wanted to diversify his business towards the real estate sector. So he had created two more companies called Metas Limited Properties and Metas Infrastructure. Now what is this Metas? Just read this Satyam as an S-A-T-Y-M-A-S. Sorry, Satyam S-A-T-Y-A-M. Satyam, and now read Metas, M-A-Y-T-A-S. That is exactly opposite, or you can say inverse of this word Satyam, which was an sister companies of these two entities. That is sister companies of Satyam Limited. That is the person or director of that or founder of that were their brothers and sisters. Okay? So he started this Metas Limited Properties and Metas Infrastructure in the year we can say in the year 2000 and 2001. Okay, for the purchasing new, or you can say investing in real estate, because in that time the Metroman Sridharan, the person called Metroman Sridharan, even he had written his statement that he has stated that Satyam had the entire route of metro in Hyderabad. Of Hyderabad, he had a metro, you can say the metro which was there in Hyderabad, the entire route was with Satyam Properties. Okay. So what did Satyam did? What did Satyam do? That is, he owned, or you can say he purchased that real estate shop that is in the metro, which was nearest to the metro. Buildings, or you can say plots which were nearest to the metro. For that, he wanted new company, what you can say, for that he wanted money for that, for investing in it. He had made, I can say, he has created 365 new companies which are fake. 365 companies he has formed for that. That is raising money for this real estate. For this real estate business, they had raised money from this 365 companies, and you will say, sir, what is this 365 company? Where did they come? Where did the directors come from? And the remuneration which were given to the directors were only 5,000 and 4,000. That means you can remember, you can get an idea that who will be getting that company. Which company will be getting that director who is earning 5,000 or 6,000, 4,000 as a remuneration for a director? No one. But he has made a director. Who was the director of that company? They were the sweepers, drivers, or you can say they were the farmers of their mills. These are all the members or directors of that company. Okay? They had made this 365 companies for raising money. So after that, they had also started inflating their balance sheet. Now, what is this inflating balance sheet? So, what is this inflating? Inflating is what? If my profit is 50 crores, then I would state my profit is, in the balance sheet, I would state 500 crores. In the profit and loss, I will be stating 500 crores, which is an kind of fruit for my investors. And my investor will be investing more in my company, right? Fruit अच्छा दिखता है ना, 50 crores, 500 crores. If my company is showing 500 crores, you will be investing in that, right? Same logic this Satyam has done. They have started inflating it, so that because of it, their share price were getting increased. That means in the year 92, and at that time when the shares were increased, they started selling their shares. In the year 1992, they had a stock of, the promoters had the stake of 24%, and then after selling it, they came up to the 2000. In the year 2000, just had 2% of the stake. That is, in the year 2000, only 2% of the stake were with the promoters. See, so over here, they took entire amount for investing in this plan of real estate. After that, their plan was, once this real estate booms in that, we will be selling that property and just, you can say, and then we will be filling this gap of this 500 crores and 50 crores. That is 450 crores we had got a profit from there as per this calculation. Now, कैलकुलेशन तो अच्छा था सर, उसका कैलकुलेशन तो अच्छा था, बट उसके साथ देने वाला कोई नहीं, साथ देने के लिए क्यों? Why sir? Why did you say like that? Because a great depression came in 2000, the year 2000, where this recession was there. Word called recession. What is this recession? सर मंदी चल रही है, तो कौन इन्वेस्ट करेगा अपने रियल एस्टेट पर? आप इन्वेस्ट करोगे? आप बताओ, कमेंट में बताओ, इन्वेस्ट करोगे? नहीं करोगे। तो उसी पर प्लान ए उसका फ्लॉप होते दिखा, क्योंकि इसका प्लान क्या था सत्यम सर का प्लान क्या था? इफ आई गेट प्रॉफिट फ्रॉम इट, आई विल बी कवरिंग दिस 450 crores कवर करूंगा, लेकिन प्लान क्या निकला? फ्लॉप होते हुए दिखा, दैट इज प्लान ए गया। अब उसके पास बचता क्या है, ही विल बी हैविंग two things, only one idea he had, that is the Meta's property and Meta's infrastructure, which was his sister companies. He thought that हम लोग जो करेंगे, क्या करेंगे, अभी हम लोग के पास एक ही आइडिया है। प्लान बी क्या है, that we will be showing that Satyam Computers will acquire Meta's property is 51% stake and Meta's infrastructure 100% stake. 100% stake of Meta's infrastructure and 51% of the Meta's property. ठीक है, and the amount which we will be giving as a consideration, they will be getting who will be getting the consideration, the entire promoters will be getting the consideration. इसका मतलब किसको है पता है, गोल गोल घुमाकर अपने पास ही आ रहा हो, वो अमाउंट अपने पास ही आ रहा है। क्यों? सत्यम कंप्यूटर्स किसका है, सत्यम सर का। कौन सत्यम, सत्यम रामालिंगा राजू एंड हिज ब्रदर, और इन दोनों कंपनी किसका है, उन्हीं का तो सिस्टर कंपनी है, उसी का सिस्टर बनने के ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर उसी के रिलेटिव का है। ठीक है, यानी कि उनके प्रमोटर्स को मिलेगा। ये अप्रूवल उनके डायरेक्टर्स ने बिना पूछे, विदाउट आस्किंग टू द शेयर होल्डर्स, दे हैव approved this plan, which was questionable, that is the institutional investor, because institutional investors were investing in Satyam. The institutional investors are gone, the institutional companies which were investing, that is LIC, maximum stake of LIC was in Satyam. अब उसको तो बात कर गई, उसको तो बात आ गई अभी, LIC आ चुका है अंदर। LIC ने जैसी पॉइंट उठाई तब then four directors of Satyam had resigned their job. अचानक one day they had entire four directors had resigned over there. उन्होंने पूरा अपना resignation दे दिया। resignation देकर 4 डायरेक्टर्स, अब उन्होंने बोला 4 डायरेक्टर्स ने एक साथ कैसे रिजाइन कर दिया, वो 4 डायरेक्टर्स इंडिपेंडेंट डायरेक्टर्स ने जिसने इसको मंजूरी दी, ये प्लान को मंजूरी दी थी, उन्होंने सभी ने उसको रिजेक्ट कर दिया। और कैन से एंटायर 4 इंडिपेंडेंट डायरेक्टर्स हैड रिजाइन्ड दैट पोस्ट। देन कम्स अ थिंग, that is at that time they had a case, one person in NYSE, that is in New York, one investor has filed a case against the Satyam because he had a listed company in NYSE में रजिस्टर्ड है, कि उनके इन्वेस्टर्स ने उनके ऊपर केस लॉ और कैन से लॉसूट फाइल कर दिया। इसका मतलब उनका शेयर इन द ईयर 2009, उनका शेयर जो था, शेयर which was in NYSE had come down by 55%, उनका शेयर गिर चुका है 55%, ठीक है, 55% से उनका शेयर गिर गया। अब सामने दिखाई दे रहा है this was cancelled, even this plan was getting cancelled। ठीक है, क्वेश्चन अभी भी अराइज हो रहा है, सर अभी वो क्या करेंगे? अभी उन्होंने कुछ नहीं किया। इन द ईयर 2009 he has confessed that हम लोगों ने जो भी अभी तक किया है, we had just inflated this account, that is if we had invested, if we had done this 50 crores profit, we had inflated our balance sheet that 500 crores। अब सेबी ने पूछा what were you doing, I can say what kind of inflating were you doing? So he has said for that we had made 7,500 invoices which was fake invoices। ठीक है, सेबी ने बोला ठीक है बनाया, उसके सामने प्रॉफिट क्या दिखाया, प्रॉफिट अमाउंट कहाँ दिखाया, प्रॉफिट कहाँ गया, दैट प्रॉफिट वी हैड मेड many cash reserves which was not there at all, कभी था ही नहीं। एंड इवन दे आस्क्ड दैट सर ये सब तो ठीक है, अब क्या किया आपने, अब आपने शेयर, ठीक है, कैश रिजर्व दिखाया, उसके बाद कुछ ना कुछ बैंक में भी दिखाया ना, दैट वो बैंक अकाउंट कहाँ है, इट वाज अ फेक बैंक स्टेटमेंट। इवन दे हैड मेड अ फेक बैंक स्टेटमेंट। उन्होंने ये चीज अपने कन्फेशन में दिया है सेबी को इन द ईयर 2009 दैट फ्रॉम द ईयर 1992 we had made inflating balance sheet, or we can had scam over there. Now in the year 2009 they had asked the SEBI ने उन पे केस किया है. The two person, the founder, जो दो person founder है वो दो जन, and the independent directors, the three of independent directors and the two partners of PwC. Now who is this PwC? PwC is the auditor, was the auditor of Satyam at that time. You have to comment in the comment box that what is the full form of PwC and the entire thing about it. Okay? So PwC was the partner, auditor of that. Two partners of PwC were arrested. Till now they are behind the bars. Okay? So after that 2009, in 2010, Mahindra and Company had acquired Satyam Computers. They named as an, and in the 2017 they had renamed that company called Satyam Tech, I can say Mahindra Satyam. They had started a company called Mahindra Satyam. After this scam, just let me know that first question which I have asked. In the Bad Boy Billionaire, there was a case that if my name occurs in that, my entire corporate image will spoil, it gets spoiled. So kindly request that please don't allow me in that Bad Boy Billionaire. So was this case correct as per this case law? Just comment in the comment box, as this was my first series of first episode of Satyam scam. In the further we will be getting each and every scam which is in India. Total 250 scams are done. Each and everything we will be seeing in this. Just subscribe our channel, okay, so that you will be getting that entire updates from you. Okay, till then, tada bye bye and have a nice day. Enjoy your weekend with this Satyam scam.